Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video. Today it's Friday, the last trading day on the traditional stock markets, and Friday usually is a little bit of a more quiet day, but the interesting thing is that we are kind of at a make or break point for Bitcoin right now. Are we going higher and breaking the new highs again, or are we dumping lower? I'm going to show you exactly which levels I'm looking at so far. Before we do, please do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe, click on the bell, click on all so you don't miss anything. Leave me a comment, share this video with your friends if you think it's useful. Feel free to follow me on Twitter and Instagram, where I post pretty much a few times a day. And also feel free to use the link for Bitcoin and Ethereum. After you initial deposit, you're getting a trading bonus from the exchange, so don't miss it out. Alright, let's get started and let's dive into the charts. We are looking here at BTC pair on the 4 hourly. To be honest, on the bull side, actually it looks kind of good. If I'm looking here, the money flow is up. We had a green dot bounce off here for the zero line for the momentum wave, now going higher. RSI is pretty good and VWAP as well. So on the 4 hourly it looks good. Also on the daily, still here, money flow going higher, momentum wave going higher. We might want to curve over a little bit, but so far, to be honest, it looks actually good. Let's quickly zoom into the hourly. There we see kind of the same. We had these tiny red dots here in the bottom for the money flow, but soon actually right away the money flow starts curving up again. And also here momentum wave higher, RSI is higher, VWAP is a little bit lower but can curve any moment now. So I have to say, on the bull side it looks good. Not so good for me because I am short, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm looking at. Let's first quickly look to the upside, because that one I think is pretty obvious. This is the golden pocket that we drew yesterday, because we met our first target right here. That was our golden pocket. Then we said, okay, we're going to rise that fib a little bit to Monday the 11th, and then we have as target approximately 25,000 to the upside. That's the next golden pocket, and if we would reach that here within this beautiful kind of trumpet wedge kind of idea, then we would also here at the top be at that golden pocket, so that would coincide perfectly. You can also see that yesterday on the 4 hourlies here making touching the bottoms, and now just making our way higher. Interesting thing actually is the hourly, because there I can show you a little bit easier what I mean. If we have this top right here and we have this bottom, and then we pull a fib, then we can see exactly that the price came back to that golden pocket, and it looks like that we are breaking it right now. So that's good news for the bulls. I do have then a little bit of resistance right now coming in, so that is this kind of cluster right here just above the golden pocket. You can see it that we have some touch points here with the hourly candle, some closes, some reversals. So I think once we start breaching this box, so that's approximately 23,700, 800 ish, then we only actually have this this top right here, and then of course we have the top, which is our golden pocket, maybe here at the range approximately. It is Friday, so I expect a little bit everything, meaning that maybe with New York Open we pump it a bit, we dump a bit, and then during the weekend usually don't touch it. Like I said, I am short right now because I mean, this is a good retrace, but I was actually so far hoping for more, so I am building up short positions here around that golden pocket. So if I'm not mistaken, I'm just slightly in the red right now. It would be probably invalidated if we really start pumping higher. If we would go to the downside, so let's say this is our reversal where we are right now, so the box or the golden pocket, and we would go down, then probably I will take my first profits here. But actually the dream scenario is that we are kind of reversing now and then really going lower to this golden pocket right here. This laying around approximately 20,800, 20,900. Then we would also first need to breach these tops right here. That is a beautiful box that we already draw out for quite some time. You can see that we have so many touch points here on hourlies, on 4 hourlies, and it was numerous times support and resistance. So that is also first a major one to break in case we are going lower. But like I said in yesterday's video, in case we are now reaching the golden pocket, reverse from here and then going lower, then we are breaking these two horizontal supports. Then we first need to break this support box that we drew earlier. That would also be a big one to take. And then here, I think then a lot of people will become suddenly very, very bearish. And then Mr. Market Maker can pump the price back up after we reach their golden pocket and really go to, let's say, 28k or 30k, and I think that will trap a lot of people and also will liquidate a lot of positions. Like I said, that's a little bit for me the dream scenario. Doesn't mean that it will come to fruition, because we can also just pump up from here. Then I was wrong, breach the box, go higher here, or even pump out here. And then again, after this 25k, we might go to approximately 28, 29k. That is then my new target, because I said also last time that was our trading range before, as you can see right here. Beautiful trading range, what we have traded for approximately 2 weeks before we went lower. So if we are going higher again, then we'll probably come back at that trading range, and then all of these levels are back on the table, and that's usually how it works. So let's see. For the dollar index, we're looking here on the 4 hourly. It's a little bit indecisive, to be honest. And when the dollar index is dumping, BTC is pumping. You can see here now on the 4 hourly candle that we're going down a little bit. But overall, it is a little bit sideways. And you could say, hey, you know what? We are kind of in this tiny area of support and resistance where we kind of testing the tops all the time and the bottoms and not really breaking out. So this was kind of then the zone, and this is now kind of the same zone. If we would go to the upside, then I think we are going absolutely retest those tops here. If we would break further to the downside and the dollar starts cooling off a little bit more, then I think BTC has really a good case to start pumping again. Gold will probably also go up, and the stock market as well. And then of course I'm looking out for these regions right here to consolidate in after we went lower. So that is kind of what I'm looking out for the dollar index for now. Later on, stock market, as you can see, the futures so far kind of flat, approximately 0.2% down or 0.2% up. So I think it's going to be a flat opening. This was in the green earlier, it was in the red earlier, so it's just zigzagging a little bit. So I think it's going to be a flat opening. Probably the first hour after the opening is going to be the most interesting one. After that, the first hour, 2 hours after that, you kind of see the action just selling down a little bit, slow price action, so not a lot. I will have to see what I'm going to do with my trade, how much we are pumping up or down, and if I will close it or not, or if I will keep the short open during the weekend. And like I said, I'm hoping for a big retracement. That would be very nice. If not, then I'm afraid I have to close the trade, but I will keep you updated. Maybe a new video, maybe on Twitter or maybe on Instagram. So just make sure that you follow me everywhere and that you will not miss out. That will be it for now. Enjoy your weekend. Don't forget, of course, to like, subscribe, click on the bell, click on all so you don't miss it. Leave me a comment, share this video with your friends if you think this is useful. Don't do stupid shit during the weekend. See you guys on Monday. Bye bye.